Hey guys, mabuhay! I'm Ronald Dalus and I'm here to do a quick unboxing of the MINISO On-Ear Foldable Headset. Actually, the reason for me in buying this headset is because I'm looking for an alternative headset that I can use because itong Boss headset na niregalo sa akin is gamit na siya. So, naghahanap lang talaga ako ng medyo affordable na headset para as an alternative lang dito para hindi siya ma-burn off agad. So, yun. Let's go ahead at i-check muna natin yung pinaka-box. So, as you can see here, it says here on-ear foldable headset. Nakalagay doon 3.5mm jack, stereo, game, for movies, music, and call. That's nice. Sa gilid, nakalagay on-ear foldable headset. The bottom, wala. So, ayun. Wala, parang Japanese inscription. Notebook, tablet, smart phone. The back. So, ayun. Talaga yung pinaka-product name, specification, weight, material, storage, how to use, caution, and yun lang. So, ayun. Sa gilid, wala naman. Okay. Let's go ahead and buksan na natin yung pinaka-box niya. Let's go ahead, open na natin yung pinaka-box. So, here. Natin muna yan. Take this one out. So, okay. There you go. Medyo yan, sumabit lang siya. So, yung box, lagay mo natin sa gilid. So, yan. This is the headset. So, ito na yung pinaka-headset. Check out sa sides. May MINISO branding. Ito, may nakalagay na L for left side. And it has a parang soft leather cushion dito sa pinaka-ibabaw. Ayan. R for right side. Ayan, MINISO branding. So at the bottom, ito yung pinaka-cord. So you can see yung cord niya is that one. And then ito yung pinaka-cushion niya sa ears. So this one is on ear. And the one that I'm using here is actually over the ear. So may noise cancelling feature siya. So, ayun. So, ayun. Twist din siya pag ganyan. So, I'm not sure kung natitwist to the sides dito compared to this one. Ito kasi natitwist siya. So, I'm not sure kung ganun din siya. So, parang ganito lang. Kung twist it that way. So, yun siya. And before I forget, nakalimutan kong ipakita yung dito sa gilid, sa sides. Pinaka-adjustment niya. So, ayan. Natin kung gaano kahaba. So, medyo mahaba din pala. Medyo malaki yung ulo mo. Or yun na. Medyo mahaba rin na adjust din siya. So this one has a plastic material sa sides. It has a matte plastic material. So gusto ko rin yung pinaka two-tone color niya. So ayun, so gray and blue. Baga parang ano. Bagay dito sa parang mga teenagers design. So ayun. So yun lang. Balikan natin. Yeah, medyo hirap lang yun. And then check din natin yung pinaka cord niya. So as you can see here, meron siyang microphone for the phone call. If you're receiving a phone call, yan, for microphone. And then ito yung pinakahaba ng cord niya. Siguro mga 1 meter or 1.5 meter. yung pinaka length nung pinaka cord niya. So ito, not sure this. Made in China, pero yung product natin is from Japan. So that's interesting. So ito, I'm not sure kung ano to, pero parang code siguro, parang product code siguro to yung pinaka headset. So ayun lang guys. Kung naghanap kayo ng medyo affordable na headset, this headset costs around 599 pesos. And kung convert mo sa dollars, more or less mga $10 siya. So not bad for its price. So check ko naman din yung quality nung sound niya. Maganda rin naman yung labas yung tunog ng mga music, yung bass, it has a decent bass. Yung clarity naman nung pinaka songs na napakinggan ko, maganda rin naman. So ayun, if you're looking for an alternative headset, mare-recommend ko na rin to sa inyo kasi bukod sa affordable na siya, maganda rin naman decent din naman yung sounds na lumalabas sa kanya. So ayun lang guys. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a good one.